Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Dear students, today our topic is image formation by a concave mirror. Dear students, we already know that when an object is placed in front of a concave mirror, image is formed. The type of image formed by a concave mirror depends on the position of the object in front of the mirror. When the object is placed at different positions or at different distances from a concave mirror, different types of images are formed. Dear students, 6 types of images are formed by concave mirror. We will discuss them one by one. Case first, when the object is at infinity. Dear students, when the object is at infinity, image is formed at the focus of the concave mirror. I will try to explain you this with the help of this diagram. Dear students, suppose this is a concave mirror. M dash is a concave mirror. This straight line is its principal axis. P is the pole of this concave mirror. F is its focus. And this C is the center of curvature of this concave mirror. Dear students, suppose AB is an object placed at a very large distance from the concave mirror. Say it is placed at infinity. Infinity means the object is placed at a very large distance from the concave mirror. So, it is not shown in the figure. Suppose two light rays AD and AP. Two light rays AD and AP from the top point A of the object are parallel to one another. These two light rays AD and AP, these are from top of the object A. These two light rays are parallel to one another. These parallel rays get reflected at D and P and then intersect at point A dash. After reflection from D and P, these two reflected light rays get intersect at point A dash. So, A dash is the real image of the top point A of the object. This A dash is the real image of the top point of the object which is placed at the infinity. From this A dash, we draw perpendicular to the principal axis of the mirror. Therefore, A dash B dash is the image of the object placed at infinity. This image A dash B dash is formed at principal focus of the concave mirror. It is real, inverted, but is very small. It is very small than the object. This image is formed at the principal focus of the concave mirror. It is real and inverted image, but it is much smaller than the object which is placed at the infinity. Case second, when the object is placed beyond the center of curvature of the concave mirror. Dear students, when the object is placed beyond the center of curvature of the concave mirror, image is formed between the principal focus and center of curvature of the mirror. Dear students, this is a concave mirror. This straight line is its principal axis. This P is its pole. F is focus point of the principal focus of the concave mirror, and C is its center of curvature. Object is placed beyond the center of curvature. Object is placed beyond the center of curvature. Dear students, a ray of light AD is parallel to principal axis. It passes through the focus after reflection. This AD is a ray of light it strikes the mirror at point D. After reflection, it passes through the focus of the concave mirror as per the rule. A second ray of light, AE, second ray of light, AE, passes through the center of curvature of the mirror and returns along the same path. As per the rule, it returns along the same path. These two reflected rays intersect at point A dash. These two reflected rays intersect at point A dash. A dash is the real image of the point A of the object. From this A dash, we draw perpendicular to the principal axis of the mirror. A dash, B dash is the image of the object which is placed beyond the center of curvature of the mirror. The image A dash, B dash is formed between the focus and center of curvature of the concave mirror. This image is real, inverted, and is smaller than the object which is placed beyond the center of curvature of the mirror. Case third. When the object is at center of curvature of the concave mirror. Dear students, when the object is placed at the center of curvature of the concave mirror, image is also formed at the center of curvature of the mirror. In this figure, this is a concave mirror. This straight line is its principal axis. This C is center of curvature of the concave mirror. F is its focus and P is its pole. This P is its pole. A ray of light AD, a ray of light AD is parallel to the principal axis, strikes the mirror at point D. After reflection, as per rule, it passes through the focus of the concave mirror. After reflection, it passes through the focus of the concave mirror. Dear students, a second ray of light AE, a second ray of light AE passes through the focus of the concave mirror and strikes the mirror at point E. After reflection, it becomes parallel to the principal axis as per the rule. These two reflected rays intersect at A dash. These two reflected rays meet at point A dash. So A dash is the image of the top point of the object. From this A dash, we draw a perpendicular to principal axis. Therefore, A dash, B dash is the image of the object which is placed at the center of curvature of the object. This image A dash, B dash is real, inverted, and is equal in size of the object. A dash, B dash is the image which is formed at the center of curvature of the mirror. It is real and inverted and is same in size as that of the object. So dear students, these are the three cases of image formed by the concave mirror. Inshallah, in the next class we will discuss other three cases of the image formation by the concave mirrors. Khuda Hafiz.